Emzini Wezinsizwa. While the show was loved for comedy yayo, it played an intentional and a crucial role in nation building and social cohesion. Every Thursday, we used to gather as families and communities and watch abantu eWestella, Room 8, from different cultures, different backgrounds, and different experiences coming together, showing us ukuthi we have more in common than we have differences. Yangizwa? So the main characters of the show was Uchawe, Uchilrani, Umfukeng, Umkhize, and Umakubane. Yangizwa? And the bonke labantu laba, they all come from different backgrounds, yabo. In the bahlala kuphi, the setting of the story takes place eWestella, yabo. Firstly, iWestella, before Umzini Wensizwa used it as a place of shared humanity. iWestella was a place where abantu, black people, were dehumanized, yabo. iWestella behlala in C7 in one room. EmaWestella, we had no privacy. EmaWestella, we had no dignity. And EmaWestella, we had no humanity. However, Emzini Wensizwa, that was completely different. So Umzini Wensizwa, firstly, it normalized multilingualism. Like in one room, room 8, Uchawe, which is Umxhosa, can speak isiXhosa sakhe noMagubane, who speaks isiZulu. And uMagubane, who speaks isiZulu, speaks isiZulu sakhe noMfukeng, who speaks isiSuthu. And uMfukeng, who speaks isiSuthu, speaks isiSuthu sakhe noChawe, noChilwane, who speaks Isfana Galo, and which Uchilwane was from Malawi. He represented the marginalized groups, yabo, AmaNdebele, AmaTsonga, AmaVenda. So, firstly,